Some see volatility as risk, while others see it as opportunity. And that's what can separate average traders and investors from successful ones. So in this short video, you will learn exactly what volatility is. You will learn about some volatility trading strategies, and you will also learn about some volatility indicators. But I do want to keep this video short, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so let's begin here by answering the very important question, what is volatility? And especially what is volatility when it comes to trading? Well, volatility simply measures how much an asset's price have changed over time. And when I talk about an asset, this can be anything from a stock to a cryptocurrency or Forex pair. And high volatility basically means bigger and faster price swings, while low volatility basically means smaller and more gradual changes. And you can think about it as the sort of bumpiness on the chart. And we will very soon take a look at this interactive tool down here that I hope will help you guys clarify your understanding of volatility. But first, what does high and low volatility mean? Well, volatility, you can see some people see it as a risk, but at the same time, high volatility is also opportunity, especially if you are more on the trading side. If you are investing, if you're a long-term investing, then low volatility can feel much better. But if you're trading, high volatility, as you can see right here, higher volatility means, of course, both greater potential for profit, but also for losses. And now, how do we measure volatility? What is volatility measured by? Well, we have a few different indicators and indices. One very common trading indicator is called the ATR. And in this video, we don't have time to dive deep into the ATR, but I do have a video about that, and I will make sure to link the video somewhere up in the corner. Volatility can also be measured by something called the VIX index or the volatility index. Unfortunately, I don't have a video about that yet, but I do think I will make a short video in the future about the volatility index as well. And here, one important thing to note here is that volatility often increases during uncertainty, major news events, and market crashes. So for example, recently, if you have been following the crypto market and the stock market, there are a lot of uncertainty regarding, for example, tariffs. So lately we have been seeing lots of volatility. And in general, the more uncertainty in the market, the more volatility we've seen. Here you can see some quick trading strategies you can use here. We will not dive deep, but you can use volatility for options trading. You can use it for breakout trading, range trading, and even mean reversion. And if you want to learn more about mean reversion, I actually have a full course here on the channel about moving averages that also talks about mean reversion, so make sure to check that video out if you want to learn more about that. I also have multiple videos here on the channel about different breakout trading strategies. But now guys, let's actually move to this interactive volatility simulator. So here right now you can see that we have a price chart with an average price of 100, and currently we have very high volatility. You can see this by the slider right here. But as we move the slider to the left, you can see that the volatility decreases. So right now we have medium volatility. You can see that the price swings have gotten much smaller compared to the very high volatility. Right here, the volatility is very high. Here it's medium. But as we go to low volatility, you can see that the price almost touches here the average. So hopefully this visualization can help you see, the difference here between high and low volatility. And by the way, guys, if you want access to this tool and many other tools, I actually plan to release them soon for channel members, for all gold and diamond members to begin with, but I will probably roll them out to all silver members soon as well. So if you want to get this tool and at the same time support the channel, make sure to consider becoming a channel member today. I hope I will see you guys over there. And now, guys, if you want to continue your trading journey, I highly recommend to check out this playlist right here. It contains all my educational trading courses right here on YouTube. So check them out if you want to, but for now, take care. Ciao, ciao.